Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the double crochet cluster stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, and be familiar with the cluster stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Make 1 chain, skip 1 chain, into the next chain make a single crochet, make 1 chain, skip 1 chain, into the next chain make a single crochet, make 1 chain, skip 1 chain, into the next chain make a single crochet, and you're going to repeat this sequence for the rest of your row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 regular double crochet. You can see that the next space is a chain 1 space from our last row. We're going to be making a double crochet cluster into that chain 1 space. So if you're familiar with the cluster stitch, it is the bottoms of double crochets clustered together. So you're going to start with a yarn over, you're going to insert your hook into that next space made from our previous chain 1. You're going to grab that yarn you're working with, you're going to pull it through, pulling up a loop. Yarn over, take that through 2 loops. So that's the bottom of 1 double crochet. You can see it matches right here. Yarn over, insert your hook back into that same space, grab that yarn you're working with and pull it through, pulling up a loop. Yarn over, take that through 2 loops, making another double crochet bottom. You can see it matches, so that's 2 together. Then you're going to yarn over, take that through all 3 loops to cluster them together. So that's how that double crochet cluster is going to look. You can see it's the bottom of 2 double crochets together. Chain 1. You're now going to skip over this previous single crochet. We're only going to be working into these open spaces made from these chain 1s on our last row. Yarn over, insert your hook into that space, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through. Yarn over, take that through 2 loops only. Yarn over, insert your hook into that same space, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through. Yarn over, take that through 2 loops only. We have the bottoms of 2 double crochets. Yarn over, take that through all 3 loops on your hook to cluster them together. Make a chain to skip over this next single crochet. We're going to make a double crochet cluster into this next open space. So that's 1 double crochet bottom. And that's another one. Yarn over, take that through all 3 loops to cluster them together. And you're now going to repeat these steps until you reach the last stitch of your row. When we reach the end of our row, we're going to make a regular double crochet into that last stitch to complete our row. And that is how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. You're going to make your first single crochet between this previous double crochet and previous double crochet cluster. So into this space right here, just 1 single crochet. You're then going to chain 1 to skip over this double crochet cluster, make a single crochet in this space between them. Chain 1, skip the next cluster, single crochet between them. Chain 1, skip the next cluster, single crochet between them. You're now going to repeat this sequence until you reach the end of your row. When you reach the end of your row, you can see you have this double crochet right here and these turning chains. Make a single crochet between them to complete row 3. And that is how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the double crochet cluster stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.